2.3 million views, 1 million views, 316,000 views, and another more videos hitting hundreds of thousands. All of this from a small YouTube channel called Ghibli Days. Now here's the crazy part. This channel has uploaded only 20 videos, and those videos have already generated over 86,000 subscribers. Crazy, right? And they are getting over 5,000 per month. And the best part is the content is actually super simple. They're posting relaxing AI videos with cozy visuals and calming ASMR vibes that keep people watching for minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral anime-style videos using one of the best AI video tools right now. So let's jump in. First, watch this video I just created.
The sky is still deep blue before sunrise. A quiet neighborhood sleeps under a thin layer of morning mist. Street lamps glow softly along an empty road, while tree leaves move gently in the cool dawn air. A small house window glows faintly, with warm light inside. Inside the room, soft golden light from a small lamp fills a cozy space. A person slowly opens the window, letting the fresh morning air drift in. The curtain sways lightly as the first pale hint of sunlight begins to touch the horizon. Outside, distant birds begin their first quiet songs.
Step 1. Generate ideas and prompts. Go to the link in the description and open the prompts document. Copy the channel name prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit generate and you will get several channel name ideas. Next, copy the logo prompt and paste it in the same chat. Add your channel name and hit generate. ChatGPT will create a logo for your channel. Now go to the channel Ghibli Days and take a screenshot of the channel page. Upload that screenshot into ChatGPT. Then copy the analysis prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, attach the screenshot, and hit generate. ChatGPT will analyze the channel and identify the type of content and topics used. Next, copy the topics prompt and paste it again into ChatGPT. It will generate different video topic ideas. Choose one topic. Then copy the script prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, add the topic title, and hit generate. ChatGPT will create your narration script. After that, paste the scene prompt and hit generate. You will receive all the scene prompts. Then copy and paste the image generation prompt to generate image prompts. Finally, copy and paste the video prompt into ChatGPT to generate animation prompts. Now all your prompts are ready. Step 2. Generate images. Open VideoInu, link in the description. This tool is an all-in-one AI platform that includes image generation, animation video, cinematic video, voiceover video, character generator, AI video, AI image, text to video, and more. Click AI image. Copy the scene image prompt and paste it into VideoInu. Choose Nano Banana Pro. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit generate. Your first image will be created. Now copy the scene 2 image prompt, paste it into VideoInu, and hit generate. Repeat the same process for the rest of the scene prompts. You will notice the visual consistency across the images. Step 3. Animate images. Click video inside VideoInu. Select generated image 1 and click use. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt. Paste it into the video generation section. There are many animation models available. Choose the one you prefer. For example, C-Dance 1.5. And hit generate. Your first video clip will be created. Repeat the same process for the remaining images. Step 4. Generate voiceover. Copy the narration script from ChatGPT. Return to VideoInu and click audio. Paste the script and hit generate. Your voiceover audio will be ready. This tool works as an all-in-one solution for image creation, video animation, and voice generation. Step 5. Combine all clips. Once you download all the video clips, it's time to combine them. Import the clips into your editor. Drag all clips to the timeline and arrange them in order. Add the voiceover audio, add transcripts or captions if needed, and export the final video. The process is simple and easy. VideoInu offers different plans. The Plus plan is $9.99 per month, and the Pro plan is $29.99 per month, suitable for short-form creators with 17,650 credits per month. The Ultra plan costs $59.99 per month and is designed for professional creators with 42,850 credits per month. If you use VideoInu consistently and follow this structure, you can create a large amount of content efficiently. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.